আমি যে পাস করে গেছি।
কি করে হবে এইবারে পালিছে
So once again, very big hands for him. Rajiv Vishwas. Now I am inviting and after a few months they will represent our district at West Bengal state level. Today's champion, Shubhandri Maiti, please stand up each and everyone, please stand up, each and everyone please stand up and meet her because she is the first lady who has become the champion for the first time in the history of Purbo Midnapur District Championship organized by Purbo Midnapur Jila Dawa Samstha affiliated by Sara Balla Dawa Samstha. Have a big hand. Yes, from 7 out of 7. And she is the student of Tomlukche School. Yes, big hands. Tomlukche School. The name of the Tomlukche School will be spread here and there of Purbo Midnapur district. Please bless her. Please greet us.
আপনার তাহলে বাড়ি কোথায়?